Hello there! Isn't it nice to see you guys again? So we will be making bookmarks like this one over here that has some whiskers, big eyes, a tongue and some teeth. And there are many more that we can make. So today we will be making a bunny one. So let's see how you make it. Fold your paper into a triangle and make sure the corners meet. Then, you see this that we had put? Fold these flaps up. And unfold them. Take this big triangle and fold it down. So that now it's a smaller triangle. Take back one of the flaps and fold it in this little pocket we made. Same with the other one. Our bookmark is now ready but has no design. So put aside your square piece of paper that was 14 by 14 and take out two cutouts of two big U's. Now with your 12 regular Cokie colors, in the middle color it light pink and on the outline color it dark pink. This way they will look more better. So these are gonna be the ears of our lovely little bunny. Put those aside for a minute. Next, hope you have a black pen with you. So take yellow piece of paper and cut out two same-sized circles. Next, we're gonna draw two cute little pupils like this. So it looks like this. Now these are her eyes. And I'm using scraps of paper. And next, cut out two smaller U's than the ears. And these will be her teeth. Now, let's get started. Get your bookmark and take your two ears. You will stick your ears like that. So, put glue on the tip of your ears and paste it at the back. Same with the other one. And with this ear, just fold it a little so that it looks like the bunny has a floppy ear. So there's our little bunny's ears. Now we're going to make her eyes. So take her eyes that we had made and just stick them on the bookmark over here. So it looks like that. Same with the other one. And there we go. Now with our little two teeth that we had cut out, put some glue on the tip of them and just stick them in the middle. So that our bunny looks like that. Now don't you think that's a very cool little bunny? So here are some other designs that you can make. A Christmas tree, a Santa hat, or any other type of monsters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.